Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick bag reveal of my newest bag from Dior and also an update on my 30 Montaigne in the matte finish. Now if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jamie. I do videos on luxury and fashion every week. I love it if you would like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the newest bag in my collection is the 30 Montaigne. This features the gold hardware. It's a smooth leather, but most of all, it's shiny with this crinkled lambskin in the beautiful color Fard. And of course, love me a good neutral bag, but when you put it in this combination with the neutral, the shiny crinkled lambskin, I think it's an ultimate combination. Certainly unique in my bag collection, so I cannot get enough of this bag. I purchased from the Dior store in downtown Chicago. Fortunately for me, my SA was able to locate this bag. She actually had it in her store, so she just mailed it to me and I received it the next day. And of course, I had that beautiful Dior packaging. Great experience. Couldn't say enough great things about the Dior Chicago. So I did replace my matte finish with this version, which I'm so much happier. This bag with tax from the Chicago Dior, it was like $3,800. When you're paying that type of money, you want to love everything about the bag. And I certainly wasn't. I had some secondary thoughts once I was using my matte finish that I was like not really totally loving the bag. My heart wasn't singing when I had the bag. The thing was that stamped leather was so stiff. It just felt like it was a big brick to me, especially when I wore it. You'll see here on this 30 Montaigne how the lambskin, it's much more like, it gives more give, it's more flexible. I prefer to go with more that luxe look and feel, to have that flexibility in the leather, than having that stamped, at least on this style bag. Hopefully that makes sense. One thing that I really picked up on the bag was about the strap. So you'll notice here I have some give. I can really it's really flexible in my hand. You really didn't get that with the stamped. It's just much more supple, I would say. The give that you get on this leather, you really didn't get that much when you worked with the stamped leather. Stamped leather, I think, is amazing for durability, and it did give that pretty blush color. Also, I had concerns with the hardware. I thought it was so cool with the matte finish. Never really see a lot of bags with that do it well, other than probably Chanel and YSL, but I noticed that with the little bit of wear that there'd be some almost like light markings that I was concerned it might turn into chipping eventually. I just didn't want to go there with such an expensive bag. It is such a prime feature on the bag, because when you look at the 30 Montaigne, your eye is going to go right to this front section of the bag, and if that hardware started chipping, then I'd have to go take it to Dior, they would have to fix it, I don't know. But you know, at any rate, I just feel a lot more comfortable with having this. I'm just new to Dior handbags, period. So for me to understand the leathers, the metals, the different finishes, all of that was more of a learning curve for me. And even though nobody wants to go and replace handbags, and it's expensive and it's kind of a pain, but fortunately I was able to work that through so that where I ended up, I loving this bag. So okay guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick update. Let me know what you think of my new handbag. I'd love to hear what you think, and I will talk to you guys later. Take care.